Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork tocino. First, choose about 2 pounds of thinly sliced pork shoulder. In a bowl, mix 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. This marinade creates the signature sweet and savory flavor. After mixing the pork well with all the marinade ingredients, ensure every piece is coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate it for a minimum of 12 hours, or ideally for up to 3 days, to allow the flavors to fully develop. When ready to cook, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place the marinated pork tocino in the heated pan and fry it over medium heat until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of water and let it simmer until the liquid is completely absorbed. Continue frying the tocino, stirring occasionally until it caramelizes and is thoroughly cooked through. This process gives it a slightly crispy texture. Your delicious homemade pork tocino is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot, traditionally alongside a generous portion of garlic fried rice and a perfectly fried egg. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with fresh tomato slices or a sprinkle of chopped scallions. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.